In this video, we're going to show you to install the hood lift supports on your Volvo XC90 located underneath the hood. Now before you remove this here, you want to make sure that you have either a hood prop or an assistant to help hold the hood. Once we release this one, the other side is either going to be blown or it won't be enough to support the weight of the hood, so the hood's going to come down on you. So take precaution of that. Now we're going to start with a pocket flathead screwdriver. Right on the top there's going to be a little metal clip. Now we're going to take our flathead screwdriver and come in through the top, right behind that clip, and you want to pop this out. And when you start to work that out, you can get to a certain point where you can either remove the clip, or if you pull on this here, you can actually separate it from the ball stud like so, and then pull up the screwdriver. You're just pulling the socket off of the stud here. We're going to do the same on the bottom. Pry that out and pop that off. I'm going to apply a small amount of silicone paste to the stud on both of these. Going to take the new unit, and it already has the metal clips installed, so all you want to do is line up the socket and push it on. Give it a little tug, make sure that it's locked into place. I'm going to come up top here, and if you need to, go ahead and rotate the head so that the socket part lines up with the ball stud. Prop up that hood a little bit, line that up, and push it on. Wiggle that. And we'll go ahead and repeat this process for the other side. Once you've done that, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.